everyone, my name is Courtney, the face behind Creative on the Cheap. If you love all things budget-friendly home decor, DIYs, Cricut tutorials, hacks, and more, I would love to have you join me on social media. Today we'll be creating a graduation-themed gift using items from the May Expressions Vinyl subscriber box. So out of your box, you're going to want to grab the etched silver adhesive vinyl. Also, go into your inbox and check for those free SVGs that were sent to you and grab the 2023 dated SVG with the little cap on top. The blank you'll need to pick up is an acrylic keychain. Now let's get crafting. To start this project, you want to grab a pack of these acrylic rounds from Amazon. They cost less than $10 for this entire pack. With the acrylic round, there is a film on both sides of the round, so on one side you want to peel that off and paint it with some black paint. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in the color ink. While the keychain is drying, let's work with our SVG. So with every project, I like to make a template of where my vinyl decal is going to end up. So the keychain was a 2-inch circle, so that's what I made with a circle here in my Cricut design space. Then I grabbed my SVG, sized it down to make sure that I knew it was going to fit on my keychain. Got it ready to go to my Cricut machine, placed the etched silver vinyl down on my mat, got it cut out, and then I just needed to weed it. Once my decal was all cut out, I took some clear transfer tape, put it over my design, grabbed my acrylic round and peeled off that other coating, set my decal down, so this is going down on the non-painted side, and then assembled my keychain. The little tassel and all the parts for it came in the acrylic set. And now you've got yourself a great little graduation gift. This is perfect as a gift on its own or perhaps a little embellishment for your favorite graduate. If you make this project, please make sure to tag Expressions Vinyl and at Creative Cheap. Happy crafting!